Hello guys, welcome to EduCartech, and today we are going to start with the new chapter exercise 10.1. Okay, so previous video I have done the introduction to this chapter. As you all know, this is Heron's formula chapter. So it only has a single one exercise. Okay, so the questions are confusing and also very lengthy. Okay, so in this first question, it is given that there is a signboard. You all might have seen on the roads, there are some signboards that left turn ahead and more things. And also there are some signboards which are related to the disasters. But there are also like school ahead, zebra crossing, these type of are also there. Okay, so there is one like them which is school ahead. Okay, and also there is sometimes instead of writing school ahead, there is made a girl crossing the zebra crossing and putting a bag on it. So the same way there is a signboard which is triangular shape whose sides are A, and it is given to us that perimeter of this triangle is 180 centimeter. Means A plus A plus A means 3A is 180 degree. I mean 180 centimeter. So we have to find out the area of this signboard. So let's start with the green marker. Okay. So over here. Okay, solution. Okay, so first of all, perimeter of board. What is the perimeter of board? It is 180 centimeter. So 180 centimeter. Okay. Now 180 centimeter. So we can write A plus A plus A equal to 180 centimeter. How? Because the sum of all the sides is always the perimeter in a triangle. And if it is an equilateral triangle, then we say it is 3A. But instead I have written A plus A plus A. Okay? Which is 3 times of A equal to 180 centimeter. A equal to 60 centimeter. Means all the sides are 60 centimeter. Now we will find S equal to perimeter. S equals to perimeter by 2, which is 180 by 2 equal to 90. Okay, 90 centimeter. It's semi-perimeter. Now we'll find out the area. Equals to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the Heron's formula. Root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Yes. Now S minus A, since all the sides are equal, so we can say that S minus A into S minus A into S minus A. Okay. So S is 90, side is 60. So we write S equals to 90, and S minus A means 90 minus 60 into 60. And since all these are equal to each other, because this is also A, this is also A, and this is also A, so we can say 60 into 60 into no need to use this. Yes, into 60. 60 into 90. Okay, so we can write over here this can be written as 60 will come outside, and root of 9 into 10 into 60. Okay, 60 can be written as 3 into 2 into 5 into 2. Okay, 60 can be written as 3 into 2 into 5 into 2. And this 90 can be written as 9 into 5 into 2. Okay, so 5 can make a pair, 2 will make a pair, and 2 and 3 are left. Let's again check. 3 to the 6, 6 5 the 30, 30 to the 60. Yes, correct. And 9 into 5, 9 5 the 45, into 2 90. Yes, correct. So we can say 60 into 5 into 2 into, this can be written as 3 into 3 into 3, and in bracket 3 into 2, which is 6, means 6 5 the 30, 32 the 60, 60 120 180, 6 5 the 30, 32 the 60, 180 1800 root 6 centimeter square. This will be the area of our equilateral triangle. Very easy question, as you all can see. And now we will come to our next question, which is a very lengthier question. So now, in our next question, it is given that there is a flyover and on which the cars are going. So there is an underpass from the downside of it. Okay, and so that's why there are triangles formed. In this one triangle, it is an advertisement space, advertisement wall. Okay, and one who wants can advertise. So per meter square charges per year for advertising on this wall are 5,000 rupees. Means if you are taking 10 meter square, so it would be 50,000 rupees per year, because per meter square per year are the charges 5,000 rupees. Now, so we have to basically find out that how much charges would a company pay. Okay, and the company has rented this whole wall for advertising just for 3 months, not for a whole year, but for 3 months. Okay, so now how will we do it? Firstly, we will have to find out the area of this triangle. Then we will multiply it with the 5,000, and since it has taken only 3 months in a whole year, we can say that it would be 3 by 12, because 1 year can be written as 12 months, which will be 1 by 4. So we multiply it with the area, 5,000 into area, and multiplied by 1 upon 4. So let's start. Let's be quick. Solution. Okay, so first of all we write perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, means 122 plus 22 plus 120, which will be 264 meters. Okay, now semi-perimeter, therefore S equals to 264 divided by 2. Semi-perimeter is half of the original perimeter. So half will be 132 meters. Now area equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole under root. This whole will be under the root. So S is 132. S minus A means 132 minus 122, which is 10 multiplied 10 multiplied by S minus B. S minus B will be 132 minus 22, which is 100 10 into s minus c will be 132 minus 120, which is 12. This will be under root once again. Now let's break these. So 132 can be broken in two parts, 11 into 12. Now 10 will be written as it is, okay, and 110 can be written as 11 into 10. This is not perfect, straight, and 12 will be written as 12 only. Now let's make the pairs. 12 pair with 12, 10 pair with 10, and 11 pair with 11. Now we'll get, since there are 2 of all the numbers, we can say that 11 into 12 into 10 will be the area. Okay, this will be 12 into 11, which is 132, into 10 is 1320 meter square. This is our area. Now we'll find the rent. Rent paid equal to 5,000 into 1320. We know that. Now we know that. What do we know? We know this question. That's our joke. But we know that the in a year there are total 12 months. Months in year equal to 12. Okay, so to find out the rent for 3 months, we'll do this thing multiplied by 3 upon 12. So final rent for 3 months will be 1320 into 5,000 multiplied by what? We'll multiply it by 3 upon 12. So if we cancel this out, it would be 12, 110, 110, 220, and hence 330. So it would be 330 multiplied by 5,000. Okay, 330 multiplied by 5,000 is 1650 and 3 zeros, 0, 0, 0. Okay, not the end. Here we'll put the symbol of rupees. So rupees 1,000, if we put commas, yes, it will be 16,50,000 rupees. For 3 months, this is a very, very, very high rent according to me. They should decrease the price. Okay, so in next video, we'll continue with this exercise. Okay, there are total 6 questions in this exercise, as I've already told you. And in this video, we have done 2 of them. So in next video also we will do 2. Till then, bye bye.